Hello my friends, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Now I know it's been a little while since I have done a video. My God, I've just been so busy. It's so crazy out there. I am also an essential worker, so I've just been busy at work, and by the time I get home I am just through with everything. But thank God I got my energy back. I am good. My family's good. I hope everybody out there is good. I miss everything. I miss this interaction that we were doing at once upon a time. But I'm here, I'm back, and I am ready to cook. So right here, my friends, we have some turkey wings that I'm going to be making. Delicious, easy Puerto Rican style turkey wings. We are going to bake these. They are going to be delicious, divine. And because a lot of people that I know don't like the whole turkey, they only prefer certain parts of the turkey like the wings and what have you, this is a perfect recipe for you. So now let's walk through the recipe. It's really easy and simple. So now let's begin. Okay my friends, so now let's begin. Before we start seasoning, let's preheat our oven on 350 just to get that out the way and get your oven nice and hot. Right here I have 1 stick of butter. This is salted butter. And right here for my seasonings I have adobo. Remember, adobo is a seasoning salt, so you want to go light on that depending on your taste buds. And I do have a video on how to make homemade adobo, which has no salt. So it's just perfect. If you want to use that, then you have to add salt with it. I have 1 packet of Sazon. I have about a teaspoon or 2 of oregano. And I have some garlic powder. All this is according to your taste. You can add more or you can add less. So it's really simple. Right here with my butter, that's room temperature. Make sure that it's soft and it's pliable. You know, I am making a lot of wings, so I'm using 1 stick of butter. But if you're going to only make just about 4 or 5 wings, go half on this butter. You might not need the whole thing. But because I have some wings put to the side, and I'm only going to show you 5 wings, you know, I'm using the stick. So go half on it if you're not going to be making a big batch, which I am going to be making about, what, 10 wings, I believe. Alright, so your butter has to be nice and soft. Room temperature. Just keep it outside the refrigerator for about an hour and you'll get it nice and soft and pliable, just like that. So I'm going to put my seasoning right in the middle. No biggie. And then we're just going to stir this bad boy up to combine everything. Okay, my friends, here are my wings. The great tip of the day, use these aluminum pans. They make easy disposable and you don't have to clean up so much whenever you're going to be cooking, whether it's the holidays or just any old time of the week. Okay, makes life simple. So after you finish cleaning your wings, I am going to put half of this mixture, this butter mixture, right in. This is what's going to season up our wings and give it some moisture, because as you know, turkey sometimes can be so dry. And I don't want you to feel intimidated. With my clean hands, of course, I'm going to come in and massage this right on my turkey wings. I have a lot of great turkey and holiday recipes on my channel. Please take a look at them. If you need some inspiration on how to make a turkey, don't feel intimidated. It's really easy and quite delicious once you find the recipe that works for you. So I like using butter here because butter also not only gives it great flavor, but it tenderizes the turkey meat, so it doesn't come out dry, and it just lubricates it really, really well. I'm just, you know, doing it with one hand right now, and that's it. It's really simple. I am going to put aluminum foil to cover this, and we're going to bake this on 350, which should be preheated, your ovens. And we're going to bake this with the cover on for about, so after you finish putting on your seasoning butter, I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil, and then we're gonna bake this, and I'm gonna show you how it turns out. I can't wait to give it a try. I see you right back. Alright, my friends, I cannot wait to show you this delicious wings. They look so good, so golden brown, delicious. But let me tell you, so I had baked it in the oven for 1 hour, covered with the foil. And then I removed the foil, and I continued to bake it at the same temperature, but without the foil, for another hour, just so I can get a nice, delicious looking golden brown. It looks fantastic, and I'm going to show you. So now, take a look at this beauty. Look at this beauty, my friends. They are delicious. It smells like the holidays around here. Divine, divine. I just put some thyme, spritz of thyme, just to give it some color and a little bit of decor. But it is phenomenal. They look beautiful, nice and golden brown. If you wanted to get it a little bit more darker, then obviously leave it there longer. Just keep an eye on it. But this, my friends, it's fine. It's fine just the way it is. Alright, my friends, I truly hope you give this recipe a try. It is super easy. You can eat it whenever or enjoy it for the holidays. Now that I am back in town, ready to cook up a storm, please leave me a comment below in what videos would you like me to make next. What recipes of desserts, of savory dishes, whatever is in your heart. I want to hear from you. Also down below, I am going to leave you the links to my social media platforms. I have Facebook, I have Twitter. I don't use Twitter too often, but I want to start engaging in that, so leave me some Twitter messages. And Instagram. Y'all know I have Instagram. I'm going to put the pictures up. I'm going to put also the description of what I use for this recipe down below. So give it a go, give it a look, and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. It's really easy and super delicious. And a thumbs up. And I will see you again. Be safe out there. God bless you all. I'll see you. Take care. Bye-bye.